make a rainbow. The things you will need are tape, markers, colored strips, and white paper. So we are going to take our red strip, and so you're gonna take the tape and make this go up like that. So now you're gonna take the orange one and do the same thing under the red thing. So now you're gonna grab your yellow strip and then you're gonna do the same thing. And you might wanna make the other colors a little littler than the other so it looks like a real rainbow. I saw a rainbow in the sky at my house when it was raining. When the rain stopped, I saw the rainbow outside. Okay, so now you're gonna take the green and do the same thing. So the next step, you're gonna grab your blue string, whatever blue you want, and then you're gonna tape it on like the others. And make the blue smaller than the green. And then you're gonna take your purple strip and you're gonna do the same exact. Now that we finished taping down the rainbow, we are gonna add some green so it looks like grass. And we're using 3 different greens. If you wanna do more or less, you can, it's up to you. So now we're gonna grab a tape. This is just rippy tape. It's like the same. And you're gonna make them little, so like the gems. And if you're making flowers, you might wanna use green tape. This is the finished product. Ours look different, but it's because we have different styles. Bye, we hope we see you another time soon.
What's going on the set here?
The slime in here.
Liz, what could they do to be better?
They could say I've been on Unicraftrs if I recognize.
No,
Stop playing with their body parts.